The simplest thing is to look at our website and under the heading resources, drop down data, and you get the 2020 and about to have the 2021 data report. And in it, and maybe the fourth or fifth figure, 10th page, there's a list of the top industries and how many jobs, how many companies have reshored in that industry. And it turns so anybody wants details, they can find it there. But the transportation is clear number one, because when anybody brings a factory here, it's 2,000, 3,000 jobs. It comes in these massive chunks, and it's a huge industry anyway. So transportation is number one. I think appliances is number two. Maybe electronics, machinery, something on chemicals, something on that order. And a lot has been refineries because of shale gas. The natural gas here is cheaper than anywhere other than Saudi Arabia, and therefore it's cheaper to make fertilizers and plastics and things like that here than it is in Europe or Japan or China anywhere else. So the tendency is $100 billion worth of investment here that would have otherwise been offshore. But as a general rule, let's say recently, the last year or two, big trend towards chips, EV batteries, rare earth minerals, pharmaceuticals, PPE, all that stuff that we recognize as being a problem. So a surge towards that. As a general rule, products that are heavy and therefore have a high freight cost relative to their labor content. Mm-hmm. Okay, products where the design changes frequently, so you don't want to have prototypes going back and forth across the ocean to approve and so on. Where there's seasonal demand, if you're going to send like t-shirt, plain t-shirts, probably or some underwear seasonally same amount every year or every month, probably. Huh? Whereas Santa Claus outfits you sell more October, November, December. So where there's seasonal demand now, if you get it from China or India, you have to order it 9 months in advance, and maybe it gets here, maybe it misses Christmas. You don't get it here in time. So where there's seasonal demand, it makes sense to make it here. Where there's intellectual property risk, something you can lose that you're afraid you're going to lose. A variety of those characteristics if I come to a company and they say, Harry, where should we start? I do not say take 4 random products and do the analysis. I say take the products where you have pain, where you have delivery issues or quality issues, where your inventory is too big or too small, where you're losing orders because you stock out, where there's too much travel, late night telephone calls to somewhere. Take it where you've got people that are really irritated by that product, because then we know when we do the analysis, they're going to help us to get it done instead of fighting us about it, right? And do 4 or 5 of those products, and then see what you'll learn from that, and then decide where to go from there.